Hi, in this video I'm gonna talk about how data flow works in Max and what expressions like right to left order, stack and depth first search mean. Let's consider that we want to print out two values A and B, and these two values get triggered by one bang. So let's create two message boxes, A and B. Let's connect the bang to the two message boxes, and then you have to connect the two message boxes into a print object. Now, once we bang this trigger, we trigger this bang, Max is going to display these two values following in an order of from right to left. So in our case, the output values are going to be B and A because we have this kind of order in the patch. And so why that happens is because Max patches are organized in a linear series of objects connected to each other, and then Max processes events in a specific order. Because it makes every time we make a patch, Max makes a tree of connection that's called depth first search. Depth first search is a computer science term and is an algorithm for traversing, searching tree or graph data structures. The algorithm starts at the root node, in our case our bank, and explores as far as possible along each branch before backtracking. As I did, I triggered this bang, and the output was B and A. And if I invert the order of these two objects, now the output is gonna be A and B. Why that happens? It's because when each chain of the sequence get executed, a C procedure gets called to keep track of the order of the events. So what's happening here, even if we say that the order is from right to left, actually what happens is that from this node, Max goes to B, and then B goes into what's called a stack, which is a kind of register, right, that keeps track of the information inside the patch. So B is gonna go to the bottom of the stack. Consider this is like a stack, and then we go back to the root node, and we have A. A is another event, so we put this event on the top of the stack. That's why when we trigger, when we execute these two objects, the first value is going to be A because Max is going to take the value from the top of the stack, and then the other value, the next value is going to be the one that's below the previous value.